everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utiofon. Today I want to make another amazing video. This video is going to be how to make native jollof rice, Nigerian native jollof rice. So this is what I'm going to be making. Please, I beg you, please stay tuned till the video so that you will learn how I make this. It's very simple, easy to make, and it's gonna taste very delicious. If you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to help someone. So let's get into the video. So here I have my tomato, I have my garlic, I have my pepper. If you have scotch bonnet, you can use this. It's very hard for me to get scotch bonnet in my area. So this is an onion which you can use. So I have my salt, I have my nut cube. So I'm going to use 4 pieces of nut cube. I have my red oil. Some people ask me where can they get red oil because they are not in Nigeria. So I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to get red oil. So I will leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. So here I have my vegetable. I'm using green vegetable, but if you have scent leaf you can use it. So I cannot find scent leaf, that is why I substitute that to this green leaves. So here I have my crayfish, I have my dry fish. So this is my mackerel, Titus fish. So this is my chicken breast. I'm going to use this. And I have my rice here. I have 3 cups of rice washed already. So this is all the ingredients I'm going to be needing in this recipe. So please stay tuned. So guys, right now I'm going to add oil inside my pot. I will add onion, my garlic, so I will add my chicken breast, I will leave it for about 2 minutes, then we will come back to it. So after 2 minutes we will check. I want this chicken to cook very well. That is why I put it inside this oil, and also it's going to give a flavor to it. Cover it for another 2 minutes. So 2 minutes. So right now I'm going to add my tomato. So I will add my grounded pepper and crayfish. So I will add my dry fish and my fresh fish. So stir it together. So I will add a little water because of the fish. So it's time to add my nut cube. So I will cover it for about 5 minutes, then we will come back to it. So now I'm going to remove the fish. So right now I will add my rice. It's washed already. So I will add water to it. So mix it. So now I will add my salt. The reason why I didn't add salt with the fish is because the dry fish has salt already, so just add a little salt so that it would not be salty. So I will transfer my fish back to the pot because I don't want it to break. So right now we are going to cook the rice up to 20 to 25 minutes, then we will come back to it. So right now we are going to check how the rice is cooking. Wow, look at that. It smells nice. It's not quite ready. So now I'm going to use my foil to cover it. So I will leave it for it to cook maybe about 7 to 10 minutes. Then we will come back to it. So guys, after 7 minutes, I'm going to check it now. So now it's time to add our vegetable. Cover it for 2 minutes. So guys, 2 minutes. So I'm going to stir it together, but you have to be careful when you stir it together because of the fish. Look at that. Scents very nice, smells good. So guys, this is the end result of my Nigerian native jollof rice. As you can see, it came out very easy and simple to make. This takes about 30 to 35 minutes. Everything is ready. So this rice tastes very, very delicious. If you know you've not tried this way, just give it a try. Leave a comment below. I will reply to all of your comments. Tell me how you make your own Nigerian native jollof rice and let us share idea. Leave your comment below. And if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please share this video to help someone. If you're a new person in my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, thank you and thank you and thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please don't go away. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. I upload video on this channel once a week. So thank you so much for taking your time. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always being there for me. I love you all. Thank you and bye for now.